Hi everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Jella and Bell. So for today's video ay tungkol sa aming walking around at saka looking around sa Bayfront Park ng Sarasota, Florida. So ayan guys, ito yung area ng Bayfront Park. So madami silang mga sasakyan dito guys, ang gaganda nila. So ayan, like that. So ang ganda. So meron din silang mga for renting dito, boat for rental, like that. The pontoon boat, that is for rental, and this is the sailboat. Ang ganda niya. I think this is also for rental. So ayan guys, very refreshing sa area na ito kasi very calm. So maganda din yung view. So ayan guys, madaming mga mga bangka, sailboats. So anyway guys, after namin na mag-walking around at saka looking around sa area na ito, kami ay kakain sa isang restaurant. Actually, meron silang dito guys, tiki bar, restaurant and tiki bar. So meron silang live music also, may sila, may what's this, live band. So ayan guys, samahan nyo kami doon mamaya, but for now, samahan nyo muna kami sa aming pag-walking around at saka looking around sa area na ito kasi ang ganda guys ng area dito guys sa sa Bayfront Park ng Sarasota. So ayan guys, enjoy watching.
We're talking about the collage.
That's the entrance.
Well, I want to find out who the teacher is. We gotta go talk to the teacher.
You have music there.
Now this translates to meaning like a 15th century village.
Place order inside.
Place order inside. Yeah.
They used to line dance the waltz, but they would do a hop in the middle of it. I don't know. All right, so something like I could have this dance. Is that what you're talking about? You should. Go back.